Well, hi, my name is Vivienne, and I have had a procedure of the Ora 4X with Dr. Devan Dalla. And I'm here today as I've just completed a complete mouth restoration, top and bottom. Dr. Dalla has been involved every step of the way. His staff have been fantastic. The interim products that were used for Ora 4X surpassed my expectations, and the final product, I'm thrilled. Words don't really express the quality of the craftsmanship I've experienced here at the Ora Dental. He's got top of the line, state-of-the-art equipment. The finished product, the teeth, I wouldn't know them from real. It's wonderful. But over the years, you're told it isn't going to work, it can't work. You don't have enough bone, you don't have enough, and it can be done. I mean, this is a transformation. This is a complete transformation for me. They've held my hand. I haven't left here feeling fear or trepidation. It's just been, they're here for me, and they've taken care of it.